Hey guys, what's going on? Sorry for the background noise. Did not know that video was going to play. But today I wanted to do a little bit of a product review. And this is on the 12 by 12 acoustic foam that I got off Amazon. And I have currently installed on the back wall. Now I will let y'all know straight up, this is not soundproofing. This is acoustic foam. It's for sound treatment. It helps with reverb and things of that nature. Now, as you can see, just from the light, it is very thin in some areas. Now, what this does is as the sound waves travel, it pretty much acts like a bullet backing for a shooting range. It channels the sound wave in and stops it from coming back. This kind of acoustic foam will help with the reverb that you get. Say you're talking at a wall, right? And you can hear the echo. That's reverb pretty much. It gets very technical, and the only way to really sound it in rooms is have it professionally done with either sound blanketing, which is very expensive, or you can have special insulation put in your house or your studio, or you can get really thick. This is a 1 inch. This is 12 by 12 by 1 inch. You can get up to 4-inch thick. It gets very expensive. But for the most part, this is going to help with reverb, which is one of the issues I have in my studio. Now, I have it behind me as a backdrop also, but I will be putting, I have a few pieces up there, but I will be putting more up once the TV gets up. I'm waiting for the TV to come in, then I'm going to go with that. This stuff helps with reverb, which is the issue I have in this room. I don't have an issue with sound deadening because I can't hear unless the TV's super loud, my kid's yelling at his mom, dogs barking, things of that nature. And I'm not trying to prevent sound from going out. I'm just preventing the reverb in the room because I have a lot of echo. So this is what this is mainly used for. There are things called bass traps that you'll put in the corners of the room, and bass traps are going to help with the loud, deep bass. Say you have stereo and stuff like that. It's going to help cut that out. Bass gets trapped up high and low, things of that nature. Really depends on how sound waves work and what you're looking for. So guys, this is just a little review of this stuff, and I just want to cover that before we went into it. So this is a 12 by 12 by 1. It's I buy 48 pack for like $40, maybe a little bit less actually. I think it's 35 with shipping, or I can't remember. It's pretty cheap. I'll link it down below. But needless to say, I love this stuff. It makes a great backdrop. It looks really cool. It helps with reverb, which is my issue for when I'm recording with the mic and making videos. I have a pop filter, so I don't have to worry about that. And reverb is my only issue in this room. So it works really well, and for the price, I really can't beat it. I can go to like Guitar Center or something and buy these exact same panels with a different brand name, 12 by 12s or bigger, and a pack of this is going to cost me like $60 when I can buy the same stuff way cheaper. Now, obviously, bigger ones are going to cost more, but like on Amazon, you can get them cheaper. Now, material-wise, they're just a foam, and foam can matter. Obviously, you get what you pay for, and if you pay for a really good brand name, you're going to get a better product. But for the most part, I do believe that this product is worth how much it costs, and it is pretty nice. I do enjoy it. It makes, like I said, a really awesome backdrop. You see a lot of YouTubers that have it in different colors. I chose green and black because I want to be a little different. Like Ed from Tech Source is red, and some guys are blue and black. So Ed's red and black, I'm green and black. There's purple and black, gold and black. There's many different colors, guys. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this product, let me know. I also have a video on how to install it damage-free on your walls. All right, until next time, guys.